4 ways to build muscle as a boxer. Building muscle as a boxer is not about becoming bulky like a bodybuilder. It's about functional strength, explosive power, and athletic muscle that enhances, not slows down your performance. Whether you're training for your next fight or just want to sculpt a powerful, lean physique, this video is for you. I'm breaking down the 4 most effective ways to build muscle as a boxer without sacrificing your speed or agility. These methods are backed by science and used by top athletes around the world. Let's dive into it. 1. Strength training. To build real muscle as a boxer, you need to lift heavy but smart. Compound movements like deadlifts, squats, pull-ups, and bench presses activate multiple muscle groups at once. This not only promotes hypertrophy but also enhances full body coordination. Keep your reps in the 4-8 range with proper form, and don't be afraid to go heavy. Aim for 2-3 strength sessions per week, spaced out from your boxing workouts to allow recovery. 2. Plyometrics and explosive movements. Boxers rely on speed and explosive power. That's where plyometrics come in. Think jump squats, clap, push-ups, and medicine ball throws. These exercises recruit fast-twitch muscle fibers, helping you gain functional muscle that works in the ring. Incorporating 2 plyometric sessions per week can boost your athleticism while promoting lean muscle gain. Great. High-protein balanced nutrition. You can't build muscle if you're under-eating or missing out on protein. Include lean sources like chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and Greek yogurt, but don't forget your carbs. They fuel your training sessions and help with recovery. Add healthy fats from sources like avocado, nuts, and olive oil to keep hormones in check. Stay hydrated and eat consistently throughout the day. 4. Recovery and sleep. Boxing takes a toll on the body. Without proper recovery, you won't build muscle, you'll break it down. Prioritize 7-9 hours of sleep per night and include active recovery days with light stretching, mobility work, or even walking. Recovery isn't laziness. It's where growth happens. So there you have it, 4 powerful ways to build real muscle as a boxer without losing your edge. Skip the bodybuilder mindset, build muscle that moves, hits, and lasts. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more boxing and fitness tips. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.